I'm Tamara Fosdick.
Jason Fosdick in Hampstead, North Carolina.
So being a realtor here in the Wilmington, North Carolina and surrounding areas, there is somewhat of a negative aspect at times for solar just because of the individuals that come knocking on your door and solicit business, and it makes the average homeowner a little bit nervous and a little bit uncertain, and a lot of my clients have had bad experiences, not that they went solar, but because of the interaction that they had at their door. So I had a lot of questions.
My wife was skeptical about everything. That's why she was skeptical about solar. Didn't think it would work, thought it was all nonsense and hooey.
Rightly so. I'm speaking for the average homeowner out here in Wilmington, and I wanted to absorb all the information I possibly could so I could share it with my clients. I noticed that the level of expertise was set to a higher level as soon as I met with Cape Fear Solar. I was used to just unprofessional, very pushy, practically inserting themselves into my home without any consideration for where my thoughts might be, without even asking me who I was or what, anything about me. But when Cape Fear Solar came into my home and had the patience to really sit down, and it was a step-by-step process. It wasn't like, here you go, this is what's happening. We were taken through everything as meeting them in their offices and Cape Fear Solar coming to our home. I think I think for me it really changed going into the environment of where Cape Fear Solar exists and lives, and just the whole story behind it and the ownership and how serious everybody is.
We saw the beautiful 3D model, which was very helpful. Showed us exactly what it was going to look like on the roof, exactly how much we could expect in terms of wattage we should be able to take care of inside of the house. It was very informative, it was very easy, it was very non-threatening. It was a wonderful experience.
Well, there isn't one person there that doesn't know their stuff, which is really interesting. Everyone's got their position or whatever they're doing, but everyone speaks the same language, and they're also knowledgeable and they're kind and willing to help, and it makes you feel comfortable.
I think having the products on site right there at Cape Fear Solar, right, that makes a big difference. Seeing exactly how it's going to be fashioned to your roof, seeing exactly how it's going to work, that brought a lot of comfort in the beginning of the process. I also love that 3D model. I mean, that was just beautiful to see exactly what it was going to be.
Is it going to be this big, thick, bar on my roof that's going to sink my roof in, or is it going to be this ergodynamic, super small, skinny, pretty?
The house is so beautiful. I was truly concerned it was going to make it look right. Once I was able to visualize it on there, it enhanced the side of the house. I couldn't wait to get it up there. So the 3D model to me was beautiful, and that's great technology that I don't think anyone has around here other than Cape Fear Solar Systems.